to Tech Corner with Elias, and today I'm going to teach you how to put custom ringtones on your iPhone. Now, you may think, Elias, but you can't, you need iTunes. Well, I'm going to teach you how to put them without iTunes, using two simple apps, and it's really easy, and it works perfectly fine. So let's get to it. Come on, let's go. Once you're on your phone, you're going to need two apps. You're going to need GarageBand and Downloader. If you have a newer iPhone, GarageBand should already be pre-installed, but if you have an older iPhone, just go to App Store and look up GarageBand and download it. Downloader is going to be your song to download your music. Now, let's head on over to YouTube where we'll choose our song. I have Cricket, so I'm going to use my carrier's ringtone, so I looked up the Cricket ringtone. Now, once you look up your song, you're going to want to hit the three thingies, share, copy link. We're going to get out of YouTube now and head over to Downloader. Once it loads, you're going to want to go to the browser and look up converttomp3.net. Once that loads, you're just going to paste your link. Now sometimes it's going to take you to another link, so just go back to your website and ads just pop up out of nowhere. So once you're back on there, hit your link and go back. Now you're going to hit click, paste, and then you're going to hit convert. Now once it's converted, you're going to want to download it. So you're going to download it, and then from here we're going to go on to our files and hit the three arrows. Once it pops up, hit the three arrows and click open in, then go on to files and click on my iPhone, GarageBand, and GarageBand file transfer. Then click go. Now once that does, go into GarageBand, and you're going to want to go into the little menu and click plus to start a new project. And you're going to want to record a new recording, so you're going to go into audio, the microphone. Then you're going to hit the little loop, the little triangles at the bottom, and you're going to hit the little loop, which opens up your files. And you're going to select your song you want. So select the song you just downloaded. And make sure that's that one, then hit select. Now you can hear your song. So right now I'm listening to it, but for some reason the audio isn't coming out. But you can hear your song. Let it play for a little longer. Then you're going to click the little thingies and then click my song. Then you're going to hold your project until it says comes up a little prompt. You're going to hit share and set as ringtone. You're going to change the name, so I'm going to change it to Cricket Ringtone. And then export once I have it. Once I have the name, I'm going to click export. Then you're going to click OK. Then you're going to get out of the GarageBand and into settings. Once you open up settings, go into sounds, ringtones. So you click on it and hear it for a little while. Now again, my audio was not working with the screen recording, so I'm sorry about that. Then you saw that it works, and yeah, so that's how you set custom ringtones on your iPhone. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe for more content from me. See you next Tuesday. Bye.